Thompson? Giving us 5 days.
Bastards! Sounds like a tire lever job, sir.
Nope. I don't want any mechanics on this job. This is strictly sub-department.
Anyone in mind, sir?
Yes. Bonehead and Foyle.
But, sir, they've been in the out tray for 6 months.
So?
Well, it means, sir, that they're not indexed and nobody knows where they are.
Thompson, if they are alive, they are breathing. If they are breathing, they are breathing air. And laddie, if you are breathing air, you are paying tax. Find them!
Sir.
Norbs, can you hold? We'll call you back in a fortnight. Thank you. Sorry to keep you. Who's calling? I'll see if he's in. Mr. Bonehead?
Listening.
There's a Mr. Thompson on the line.
Thompson?
Yeah. Said you worked in a circus together.
I'm in a meeting.
Sorry, Mr. Thompson. He's in a meeting. I'm afraid I've no idea. Okay then. Bye. Norbs. Yes, it is a mouthful, isn't it?
Nobbs Academy for what? Oh, my God. No, Thompson, no, I'll deal with them myself. And you say you found Foyle? Uh-huh. Where?
Who's it to?
Lee, L-E-I-G-H. Some tea.
Got any younger sisters?
Oh, Mr. Foyle.
Yeah?
There's some letters for you.
Oh, thanks, Mickey.
I suppose it's more of that fan mail.
Yeah, that'll be income tax.
Yeah. Oh, by the way, there's a message for you here from a Mr. Thompson. He said you used to work at the zoo together.
Yeah, well, look, if he calls again, Mickey, do me a favour and tell him I'm dead.